Okay, folks, what I want to talk about today is a recessed can lighting here at Jones Air Conditioning and Electric. We change out a lot of recessed can lights, and what we call these retrofit recessed cans. So this particular fixture here has been in here about 20 years. Okay, see, I want you to just look at this kitchen here. You got about 6 or 7 fixtures in here. All these have been here very old. And the thing that you need to remember, these bulbs are incandescent bulbs. They're not very energy efficient. First thing I want to point out is the fixture itself. Look at this. You get 50,000 hours of light at 16 watts of electricity. So let's think about that. If we've been putting in 60 watt bulbs, you can run 5 of these LED lights for one 60 watt bulbs. That is a 400% energy savings. That is amazing. When you go into a house and the average home has maybe 40 or 50 light fixtures, LED is the way to go because you'll cut your lighting bill down from maybe about $50 to $10 a month, and you can leave these things on pretty much day and night. This particular fixture here, it puts out 1155 lumens, and I'll show you what that is in a few minutes. Now I just want to talk to you how easy these are to change. Okay, there's only 2 parts. You got the plug here, and you've got this. So here's what you're going to do. Figure 1, always pull out your directions and read these. This here is actually a 6-inch recessed light. These are 6-inch trims. And not that I want to point out, they're vapor proof. A lot of homes, if you go into a lot of houses, they're dusty, they're dirty, because when the AC pulls in and it pulls in that return, it starts running, it's pulling negative pressure across the house. And what it's doing is bringing micro particles, maybe 5 microns or larger, through recessed cans. And especially like upstairs, he's got the vermiculite, the blown in type insulation. So that's the reason for these seals. Not only is the lighting energy efficient, but the seal is energy efficient. Keeps the hot and moist latent air from the attics coming through, plus all the dust particles. So here's the first part, and then here is the second part. That's all there is to this. Okay, and what you do here, I'll show you the demonstration, but you just basically just clip it in. That's all you're going to do, clip. So here's all the parts. Here's the directions. You plug the pigtail into the light fixture. You're going to plug it into the socket upstairs. See how you got your socket? I'm going to demonstrate this in a second. You're going to put this up here, and that's it. So now we're going to demonstrate, because I'm going to go up here. Okay, I'm going to get together this right here. So I'm going to take the bulb out. Okay, this one's giving me a little trouble. I'm just going to move to the next one here. So come over here and look at this one real close. I'm just going to unscrew the bulb. Of course, you always want to be careful, guys, and not break anything. Pull this down. Okay, now this one here has a spring. So I've just took the springs out, okay? A lot of times I use needle nose to take these out. Okay, now this is the tricky part right here. You got a bracket here. You got a bracket, come over and look at this. I want you to see. You see this bracket right here? This bracket is holding up the existing fixture up here in the sealant. So I'm going to take the wing nut and I'm going to unscrew this. This is not part of the instructions. Okay, so now I'm going to pull it down and I'm just going to unclip this, okay? Unclip, okay? We're 50% finished already. So now I'm going to take the pigtail. I'm going to screw it into the bottom of this. Okay, that's not for. Now with this particular fixture, it's got ears on it, okay? Because we have to slide this bracket up here. Let me show you these. See these springs load? We have to put these brackets up here, and this is actually what holds the fixture itself. So a lot of these fixtures, if you look at them real close, you'll have what they call ears, and this is very important. You see right here, you got an ear. You pull this ear down. You can pull this ear down. I want you to really look at that. Got the same thing on the other side here, guys. Pull this down and pull this down. So you got 2 sets, right? So now what you're going to do, you're going to take your recessed light, your LED, you're going to plug in. You can't mess up the plug. It only goes in one way. This is what we call a Molex plug. You're going to snap it. You're done. You're going to take your fingers. You're gonna hold this up. Now what you're gonna do, you can find your ears here. You can put a set here. You can put a set here. Okay, then you're gonna just kind of gently slide it up evenly. Make sure you get all your stuff up. And see how easy that is? See what a nice seal you got right here? That's all there is to putting up the recessed light. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn these lights on because I want you to see the one, but you'll see the total effect of the 6 after you see the one. Let me illustrate. See how bright this is? If you look at this light over this light, it's more of a daylightish light. This here's a yellow light. This is a good time to show you. This light over here is a yellow light. It doesn't look good, but if you really look at this yellow light and you look at this LED light, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so folks, if you have any questions, please go to our website, jonesairconditioning.com. We always blog on every video that we make. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.